So today we're seeing the recent development, very high level. I'm going to show you the before and after pictures of this Maida Vale flat. Come over. So as you can see, it's not very attractive. With the wallpaper, with the pipes, with old windows. So it is all going to go basically. Okay, so now the second bedroom, and this actually will be a much smaller space. So this room is going to move over that way. But it's still going to be a lovely room with a view over the park. So I really look forward to see it transform. This is currently the kitchen, but this will be one of the bedrooms, the bigger bedroom actually, with the space from the other side. And now my favorite bit, the bathroom. Be ready for this. So this is currently the bathroom, which will be the beautiful space for working. So this space had a complete makeover. As you remember, this was a reception room. So it's now completely changed. It got a kitchen integrated into the room. So this is the smaller bedroom, but it's still very good size for London anyway, with a small double bed in here. And you might remember this was the pink room in the previous video, so it was much bigger, so we've moved both of these walls in, but it's still quite a good size for the small family apartment. This has completely changed since the last time. You might remember the old kitchen being over there, the boiler in that corner. So a complete makeover here and a really lovely space with the park just right outside of your window. And now is the space that we haven't covered before, but it's undergone a major transformation, so I'm really excited to show it to you. Come and see the previous cupboard, now bathroom. This is a complete changeover, so you won't believe it, but this is now a studio. Go and check it out.